How to check deleted messages on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Messenger application. Now make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, by mistakenly, if you go ahead and tap on this any of your account and then you had deleted your important conversation or important messages permanently, so here's how you can view the deleted messages. So once you land on this chat page, head over to the top left corner. From there, tap on three-line icon. Now from this menu bar, tap on this gear icon. Here scroll all the way down and at the very bottom there you will find an option as Account Center. So tap on See More in Account Center. Now from this interface, scroll down a bit and then under Account Setting you will find an option as Your Information and Permissions. Tap on that. Now tap on Download Your Information. Then tap on Download or Transfer Information. Here you have to select your Facebook account, then tap on Next. There you get two options to choose from, one available information or specific types of information. Since we want the messages, so tap on specific types of information. Now here if you scroll down a bit and there you will find in messages option. So select that. This may take longer to download. After that, tap on Next. Now you have to choose where or what do you want to do with your information. If you would like to download it to a device, select the first one, or if you would like to download somewhere else, then you have to select the destination. And after that, tap on Next. Now here you have to provide the date range. If you tap on the date range, here you can select the date range to download your messages from. After that, tap on Save. Here you have to provide the email address where you want to receive the file, and there is a file format as well, and there is media quality as well. After you choose all of these, then tap on Create File. And once the file is ready to download, you will receive a notification in your email address and you can download it from there, and you can view all the messages that you have deleted from Messenger in that file. And that's how you check deleted messages on Messenger. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.